Welcome to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Be wise and subscribe.
Today's video will be about Microsoft PowerPoint.
How to resize multiple objects in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. How many times have we created a PowerPoint presentation that is consisted of many slides, and on each slide we have inserted multiple images. Images that need to be the same size, so our slides will have a nice, clean and professional look. Instead of selecting each image one by one, we can always select all the images in the slide and resize them quickly and easily. I have a PowerPoint presentation open and a specific slide is activated which contains multiple images. These images need to be resized consistently, and as mentioned, instead of selecting them one by one, we can resize them all at once. We just press the Control key on our keyboard and hold it, and then click on all the images that need to be resized. Once the images are selected, the Picture Format tab gets activated on the ribbon. Then we must locate the size area of the ribbon from the far right. Here we can adjust the following. Shape height. We can change the height of the shape or picture. We type in a number in the corresponding box and then press the Enter button on our keyboard. Shape width. We can change the width of the shape or picture. We type in a number in the corresponding box and then press the Enter button on our keyboard. Once finished, all the images will be resized to the same size that we have set in the height and width boxes. If we want to make things even more perfect, we can select the arrow located at the bottom right corner of the size area of the Picture Format tab. Once selected, the Format task pane appears at the right of the slide, where we can do even more fine-tuning to the images, such as adjust the rotation, the scale height, the scale width, activate or deactivate the checkboxes at the left of the commands, lock aspect ratio, relative to original picture size, and best scale for slideshow. We can even change the position of the images. We can also see what were the original dimensions of the images. Plus, we can even use the Reset button to restore the images to the original size.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.